Leetcode Daily Challenge. Question 1200. Minimum absolute difference. This is an easy problem. We want to find out all the pairs that with minimum absolute difference. So the question is, what is the minimum difference? For a given array, if the numbers have a minimum absolute difference, the two numbers in this pair must be adjacent. So that's why first I'll do a sort. Then if we go through this array for all the pairs, I can find out the minimum difference by comparing all the possible diff. With this minimum absolute difference, if I go through the array again, a second loop, then list all the pairs with this difference, that will be the full list of all pairs for the result. That is the approach to solve this problem.